Purposes the gentleman from Tennessee seek recognition.
Address the House for 1 minute.
Gentleman seek unanimous consent.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Without objection, gentleman from Tennessee is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The House has just finished the reading of the Constitution, and that's fine. It's a majestic document, greatest of its kind, and it's never bad to read it. But it's one thing to read it, and it's another thing to really understand it. And to understand it, you've got to understand the court decisions and how the courts have interpreted the Constitution. The courts have recognized the Constitution as a living, evolving document and that it's not perfect. Congress had to pass an amendment to formally abolish slavery, and it took the Supreme Court in the Topeka Board of Ed versus Brown case to abolish Jim Crow, the stepchild of slavery, and a great stain on this country's history. Thanks to Roe v. Wade, women have a fundamental right to make medical decisions about their own bodies, a right that continues to be threatened by this Congress. And while the Constitution grants great freedoms, the courts recognize that they come with reasonable limitations. The First Amendment gives us freedom of speech but doesn't allow us to yell fire in a theater to libel somebody. And the Second Amendment, while it gives you the right to bear arms, has limitations as well. You can't carry a gun in an airplane or in a courtroom. And we need to remember that. So just reading the Constitution is one thing, but understanding is another. I hope we'll understand it and live it and see that we have a more perfect union. I yield back the remainder of my time.
Gentleman's time has expired. For purposes, the gentleman from Oregon seek recognition.
Unanimous consent to address the House for 1 minute.
Without objection, gentleman from Oregon is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm here today to share with my colleagues yesterday's very exciting